Here's April sitting down. There's her butt. Everybody's looking at an alligator. Wonder if she's still there. Did she get eaten?
No more than 15 feet. Yeah.
Here comes the ranger. He's gonna yell at April for being too close to the alligator.
Yeah, especially a big one like that. You want to stay away.
Stay away, okay?
Yeah.
He looks dead. He's just sitting there. Ah!
Oh, he's blinking.
I'm staying over here.
Did he give us a map?
Stop moving me.
Where's the little pig at?
Where did he go?
He left. He probably just taken him to his babies or something.
Oh my... Hello. That is a beautiful raven.
He's gonna eat the rubber.
No, that's vultures. I think he was like, excuse me, feed me. Yeah, it's down there. He's like, I know you have food in there. Oh, look at that. You're in the wrong spot.
What is he doing? Oh my god, give me a piece.
He's trying to attack us. When ravens attack. Here.
Oh my god.
Take it, hey, take it from his hand. Wait.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I don't want
Oh
him
my
to.
god.
I don't want him to.
Wait,
I don't
wait.
want him to.
Wait,
I don't want
it. Wait,
Not me. Here.
wait.
No,
Let
no.
me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Not me. What?
Oh my god, he's gonna bite
I don't want him in the.
Oh my god, he's gonna bite me. Oh my god, here, wait. wait. Put him. Wait.
No,
wait,
not...
no, leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there.
What is wrong? There's another one on the roof.
This is. Oh my god, he's gonna. Oh my god. They're laughing at us. Here, put it right there.
No.
No, please, no.
No, absolutely not.
I don't like you. Please, Danny.
Hi guys.
Come over here.
Don't give him my Pringles.
I just want to give him one. I want him to take it out of my hand.
Not my Pringles.
Just
If you get bit by a vulture.
It's not a vulture, you tard.
Well, you know what I mean. Not by me. No, your hand, your car. Your side of the car.
Here,
I'm not doing it.
Get it. You took it out of my hand.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that was kind of cool.
Well, I can do that.
You see? Now you want to do it. You're all wimpy before. Why are we going to do the garbage? Let's see, is there any food? A little scavenger.
Yeah. Okay. What? You mean like the skin part?
It grows like longer.
Okay.
I'll get the bird. And then the junior because
He's got the shutters all it, yeah.
Are there the chickens?
Vultures.
Oh yeah, I've seen them do it before.
He's just chubby. Why do they all hang out here?
It's just a good area. I mean, it's nice and broad. I mean, it's not like a narrow bank like what we've been walking past. It's just a big, broad area where lots of alligators can sun themselves. And because the water is shallow here, it's normally warm. It's heated pretty quickly by the sun. So it's just a really, spot, a perfect spot for them.
He just jumped out of the water. This alligator? Oop, he's underwater.
I don't see a gator. Oh, who are you talking to?
He's right in there. He just, you see him?
Oh, God, yeah, I do now.
He just jumped out of the water.
I've never seen so many birds.
He's like, there ain't no sun. I actually gotta dry my feathers like this. Oh, look, there's a whole flock coming towards us.
This is better than any zoo. Ow!
There's April getting bit by mosquitoes.
Oh my God, mosquitoes are bad.